We do all types of prosthetic and orthotic appliances like artificial legs, artificial hands, and cosmetic restoration. Like if the finger is removed, we can put the cosmetic finger. According to the patient, we customize, we deal with the patients according to that. Providing us a good range of products with the same warranty and same guarantee. Here, not only we will do the fitment of prosthetic limbs, here also how to maintain after amputation, how we will maintain his stump. Whatever the exercises needs to be done. In K1 means it's inside the house, K2 means inside and outside the house, K2, K3 means, K4 means it's warranty features. We provide proper warranty to the patients. I am a clinical prosthetic orthotist having 9 years of experience in this field. We do all types of prosthetic and orthotic appliances like artificial legs, artificial hands, and cosmetic restoration. Like if the finger is removed, we can put the cosmetic finger. Polio patient, paralysis patient for supportive devices, and other diabetic foot management also we do. We have also right now we have established another center in Rajahmundry also. Evoke Rehabilitation Center work with a vision to serve and empower the each and every category of differently able persons to live their life fullest. Here in Evoke, we are most specific towards patients. What patients wants. According to the patient, we customize, we deal with the patients according to that. We are having, we are the clinical partners of different companies those who are working in the prosthetic and orthotic fields. And they are doing good. In India, I think 2-3 companies are well known. Apart from that, 2-3 companies, there are so many companies all over in the world, those who are providing the best of their services. So we are gathering all the gathering all the foods, knee joints, hands, and according to the patient suitability, patient economic conditions, we'll arrange that and fit. And this will also helps to the patient to afford, because when in the case of middle class or lower class family, if they will not be able to afford, so as we are arranging different companies, we are being associated with different companies, they are providing us a good range of products with the same warranty and same guarantee. So the after fitment also patient is getting same warranty and same replacement possibilities is there. Evoke provides high technology artificial limbs. The products which we are providing all are from Germany, US, UK, and Allied also. Orthotic products maximum from Allied, and other companies like Proteor company also providing. We are the clinical partners of Osur, Medi, College Park USA, Oilo Wood, and Baker's Orthopedic USA. Evoke Rehabilitation Center, here not only we will do the fitment of prosthetic limbs, here also pre-prosthetic fitment, like before patients comes to our center for the fitment, we gives him the proper training, how to maintain after amputation, how he will maintain his stump, how he will maintain the stump musculature, how he will maintain his stump lengthening, strengthening, and that is the thing. First thing what we will do, first when patient comes to us, we will give him a training how he will maintain his stump, like while sitting, while laying on the bed, how he will maintain his stump, so that swelling, edema, the stump should be in a proper position. We'll tell them how to do the crepe bandaging, we'll tell them how he will get rid of from phantom limb sensation. So this is one part. Second part, after this thing, we'll say the second thing, that whatever the exercises needs to be done. What are the exercise physiotherapy needs to be done. Some patients, those are coming from outside also, will provide them proper physiotherapy support from our Evoke Rehabilitation Center to maintain them the proper fitment. And this will help this proper, if will follow, the patient will follow proper steps, the prosthetic fitment is much easier. It will be take very few time, minimum time to get fitment, and he will walk like a normal person. As I mentioned earlier, we in Evoke, we we specify to the patient, we specific towards patients. We try to give the best possibilities fitment or best possibilities prosthetic and orthotic services to the patients. In our field, it's a two things: prosthetic and orthotics. So prosthetic means artificial limb, orthotic means supportive devices like caliper, braces, spinal braces, or any type of strengths. In 2016 to 2020, we have fitted wide range of patients. As per the up to this prosthetic, we have fitted 62 patients of prosthetic patients like a Biloni or Evoke patients, and with this 5 were hand patient also there. And orthotic, we are dealing with right now. We are dealing with the diabetic foot management. We are dealing with any type of braces or any type of fracture braces. So many patients are coming every month. We are coming across orthotic patients. We are coming across so many patients. If you calculate the so many patients, means this year we have fitted 178 patients till yet of only orthotic patients, 178 patients. And diabetic foot patient, if we'll talk about the diabetic foot patients, every month we'll treat the diabetic 30 to 40 diabetic patient every month. That is our this one. Generally, people have doubts whether they will afford such kind of high technology prosthetic and orthotic appliances or not. In Evoke, we have a wide range of prosthetic and orthotic products. It's totally patient specific. We give a choice to the patient to select the prosthetic products, prosthetic foot, prosthetic knee joint, prosthetic hands, according to their feasibility and affordability. The products what we deals in Evoke, the product has some some category like K1, K2, K3, K4. Like in K1 means it's inside the house, K2 means inside and outside the house, K2, K3 means it's jogging and some fast walking, K4 means it's like a strenuous activity like running, jogging, and doing all other activities like strenuous activities. So depending upon the activity level, they are having a warranty features of the product. So warranty features, we provide proper warranty to the patients, and proper warranty covers if something will happen on the warranty period, we'll change the product and we'll replace the product like damaged parts. So warranty, the patient will get full as per the commitment. The proper warranty will be taken care of. And the functionality, if it comes to the functionality depending on the patient's activity and patient usefulness, we give the proper prescription for the functionality. If a patient wants for running, if a patient wants for jogging, if a patient wants a activity or doing any type of farmer work like ground work, for them also we have a wide range. So patient, depending on the patient's requirement, patient's occupation, we can provide all the products with a proper service and proper fitment. In developing country like India, all the possibilities of prosthetic and orthotic fitment is possible here in India, but it's due to the mere awareness of the patients, they are not able to get the proper service and proper fitment. In Evoke Rehabilitation Center, the center of our vision is our patients. We strive to get best possible clinical service for our patients with a well-trained professionals and well-equipped infrastructures. Evoke Rehabilitation Center, empowering lives. Thank you.